Hello guys, welcome to I'm Homeopath. Today's video is a bit different than our usual videos because in this video we will not discuss about any specific topic. Instead, we will talk about the books that are actually useful for our exam preparations and also for our self-study. Many of the students are confused about which book to refer for studying organon of medicine and homeopathic philosophy. There are so many different books for organon and philosophy that we often get confused about which book to prefer and how to study from a number of books at the same time. And if there is any such single book where all the topics are given so that we will not need to use a number of books. So this video is the answer to all these questions of yours. If you know about these books at the right time of your academic year, you can start the study and preparation at earliest to get the maximum benefit in the exams. In this video, I will be telling you about two such books which I used for my exam preparations and how you can use these books for your exams as well. I will be telling you not only about the books but also about what is given in the book, the index, the contents of the book, the topics that are covered, and the way the topics are explained. So, if you are willing to buy this book, you will know everything that is in the book after watching this video. So, stay tuned and watch the video until the very end. So, the name of the first book is Mandal. Many refer or address this book as Mandal and Mandal, but they have written only Mandal on this book. So anyways, you can call it the way you want. This book comes in 3 volumes. Let's talk about each volume one by one. Here's the first volume. Talking about the way the topics are explained in this book, let's take an example of the topic vital force. Now all these markings that you are seeing here is because I have already used these books, so just kindly ignore it. Moving on. Under the topic vital force, firstly they have explained the basic concept of vital force such as definition, how Dr. Hahnemann explained the concept of vital force, the role of vital force in health, in disease and in cure, the importance of the knowledge of vital force and what is the practical use of the knowledge of vital force. And then this whole part is followed by the philosophical part. That is the same topic, how it is explained by different pioneers of homeopathy. This topic of vital force is explained by Dr. Kent and Dr. Roberts, and often questions are asked on their views only. Now the simple substance topic is given in the book of lectures on homeopathic philosophy by Dr. J.T. Kent. This is a complete whole new topic in that book. The topic number is 8 and the heading of the topic is on simple substance. So they have included all the important points from the book of philosophy shortly to make it easy for the people like us. And again this is followed by Robert's views of vital force, which Dr. Robert has explained in his book of the philosophy. The name of the book is The Principles and Art of Cure by Homeopathy by H.A. Roberts. Roberts has explained vital force in the topic numbers 3, 4 and 5. The same way all the topics of organon of medicine are explained in this book of Mandal as firstly the basic concept of the topic and then the same topic explained by different pioneers. This makes it so easy for us that we are getting all the topics covered in one single book. At least majority of the topics are getting covered in one single book. Of course, ideally, we should once read the topic from the books of respective authors in the language of their own for our knowledge. You can also make the notes of yourself from the books of philosophy. This is the ideal method, but often we have to study so much more of other subjects also that we cannot give our full time just to study homeopathic philosophy, right? So you can definitely go for this book for your exam preparations. Referring this book is way better than doing nothing out of stress and pressure. The same way, second volume and the third volume are there. These are all the contents of the book. You can pause the video here so that you can go through the index of each volume. And the best thing about this book is that at the end they have also given multiple choice questions. So these are all the topics that are covered in the second volume. Same way the third volume. Here the third volume is divided into two parts. The first is chronic diseases and second is homeopathic philosophy. In the first one, chronic diseases, they have explained all the miasms. I also want to show you how the miasms are explained in this book. So I will show you how the sora is explained in this book. Firstly, they have talked about the word meaning of the sora, or the how the word sora is derived. Then firstly they have talked about the Hahnemannian concept of sora, which is then followed by Kant's views on sora, and also they have mentioned the topic or the lecture number that you can get to see in the book of Dr. Kant, that is the lectures on homeopathic philosophy by Dr. J.T. Kant. Then they have also talked about H.A. Roberts' views on sora, and then the history of the sora, manifestations of the sora, internal development, latent state of sora, the symptoms of the latent sora, then the secondary manifestations of sora, and also at the end they have talked about the treatment of sora and the remedies for the soric miasm. The same way they have talked about all the other miasms. So this is very useful book, guys. I highly recommend you to have this book if you are a student. Then the homeopathic philosophy. So under this section you can get all the topics of other pioneers of homeopathy also, such as Carol Dunham. The links to all these books with the latest editions are given below in the description box. Check it out if you really want to buy it. The reason why I am suggesting you this book is purely because I have used this book for my exams and it has helped me a lot to manage my study of the philosophy topics. That's why I'm telling you. Talking about the price of these books, it's not too expensive and the books are totally worth buying as it provides you all the topics with their philosophical part collectively in one single book. I actually bought it in a local store, that too without any discount, as I didn't trust buying the books online for I don't know what reasons. But I got to know later the same books with latest editions are available online, which we can also buy on discounts. So why not? Now let's talk about which of these volumes you can buy for yourself. If you are not going to appear for the philosophy papers, which I think is only for the students of 4th year, maybe if I'm not wrong, then you can right now go for the first and second volumes. And for the students appearing for the homeopathic philosophy paper, that is paper number 2, then you can buy the third volume also. But I would suggest you to buy all these at once if you can. If not, you can also refer to these books from your college library. Now coming to the second book. This book is really famous and most of the people know about this book already, and majority of you guys might be using it. So the book is Organon and Homeopathic Philosophy for Everyone by Dr. Ajay Asarkar. This is the second revised edition with the homeopathic philosophy. In this book, all the important topics and frequently asked topics in the exams are explained really well in a very simple language so that anyone and everyone can really understand the concepts. But in the book of Dr. Ajay Asarkar, there are limited philosophy topics as compared to the Mandal and Mandal. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this information was helpful to you. So if you like the video of me sharing the knowledge about books and all, then do let me know in the comment section so that I can make more such videos telling you about the different books. There are so many such books that can be of great help for the students. So do let me know your feedback in the comment section below, and also share this video to all the students like you who can also benefit from this information. And lastly, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update.